Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You should not try to spoof or change device identifiers. That can violate laws and platform rules. Instead, begin by securing the phone. Install the latest OS update because patches repair fingerprinting surface leaks. Next, audit apps and remove or revoke permissions that are unnecessary. Once done, enable built-in privacy toggles for location, camera, and microphone. They reduce Signal's apps use. These actions protect you without manipulating identifiers. Now focus on reducing the signals used to profile devices. Switch to a privacy-focused browser and disable third-party cookies and trackers. That limits cross-site fingerprinting. Make sure ad personalization is off, and, where available, reset your advertising ID. This reduces persistent ad linkage versus altering device identifiers. Also, restrict background data, sensor, and Bluetooth access for apps that do not need them, because those sensors often contribute to fingerprinting profiles. Finally, rely on lawful, supported tools rather than tampering with identifiers. Use a reputable VPN or Tor for stronger network privacy, and create separate user profiles for distinct activities to compartmentalize data. If you need a clean slate, a factory reset removes many residual identifiers. Make backups first. And if tracking persists or an app behaves suspiciously, contact your device vendor or the app developer for help. They can provide fixes without risky manipulation of fingerprints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.